garage just a couple minutes ago. This is it's an HDK golf cart. It's a Chinese manufacturer. It's not lithium, standard lead acid battery. It's a little faded. It's going to need some freshening up. But for the most part, looks complete. Does have some rust up here on the top, which I'll sandblast as much of this off as I can. But underneath looks a lot better. The frame is actually galvanized steel, so it still looks new. Some surface rust on the A-arms, which should easily come off. It's not too bad. But I picked this thing up for just a couple $100. Not currently working, so we'll have to check the electronics. And the batteries here. Trojan batteries. Get those cleaned up and tested. And under here we have the electronics speed controller. I'm going to start with removing these batteries and then see if I can get them tested. Alright, so tested the voltage on all the batteries. They read anywhere between 3.5 volts up to about 7.5 volts. Date code on the battery indicates that they're from 2019. They're about 5 years old. Not bad. Alright, so I got the body sanded, ready for the wrap. Just have to do a final cleaning, rub it down with some alcohol. Some of my electrical parts came in. I have a fuse block. I have a new inverter coming. I ordered one that's, this is what, 20 amp. I think the one that I ordered is a 60 amp, so much bigger, be able to power more things. I got my wires, so I'm going to run main power leads into this, and then run my wires, my accessory switches off of the fuse box, and then wire up my accessories from there. Fuse box is installed, so now I'm going to start putting together a wire harness. There's 6 fuse connections here, and I have a switch panel coming with 6 switches as well, so I'm going to run each one of these wires all the way up. It's going to run up to the front, and the switches are going to go in here. Alright, so while I wait for some additional parts to arrive, I'm going to start wiping down the surface with some alcohol, just in preparation for the wrap. Today I'm going to be installing a new key switch. This is the old one. This is bad, so I ordered this replacement. Now I'll mount the new switch. Now I'm just going to run a test with my ohm meter. There we go. All right, this switch is good.